How to screen record on iPhone 16. Hi folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to record the screen on iPhone 16 models or any other model running iOS 18. Open the control center by swiping down from top right. Check for screen recording icon. It has to be added to the control center if it's not there already. Either tap on the plus sign on the top left corner or tap and hold on an empty spot in the control center to make it editable. Tap on Add a control to get to the icon library. Tap on Screen Recording icon to add it to Control Center. Edit the size of Screen Recording icon to taste, from 1 slot up to 4 slots. Tap to start Screen Recording countdown or tap and hold for an option to turn microphone on or off. Tap on Dynamic Island to pause or continue the screen recording. Press the Stop button to stop screen recording. Access the screen recording by tapping on the thumbnail on Dynamic Island or by going to the Photos app and opening it there. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing my channel for more tips, tricks and tutorials for apps and phones. Thanks for watching.